Hello friends, up to this we were study the common things in all three classification, that is Doberan trade, Newland octave, Mendeleev's periodic table is atomic mass. When these scientists tried to classify elements, the scientific world did not know anything about the interior of the atom. In 1930, English scientist Henry Moseley done experiment with help of X-ray tube and show that atomic number that is denoted by Z of an element, that positive charge on the nucleus or the elements having that the number of protons are in the center of the atom. Let us see the example of the carbon. Carbon having 6 protons in the nucleus and number of protons are equal to the number of electrons. So in first cell there is 2 electrons and in second cell there are 4 electrons. So the atomic number that having positive charge on nucleus and also the number of proton is equal to the number of electron. Hence atomic number for this classification is most important property. So in modern periodic table, the elements are get arranged in increasing order of their atomic mass, atomic number. Most of drawbacks of the Mendeleev's periodic table, like placing of isotopes, position of hydrogen, are removed by this modern periodic table. This modern periodic table, also known as the long form of the periodic table. Friends, we have seen the electronic configuration in the previous standard. So, electronic or electrons are distributed in shells is determined by the total number of electron. The total number of electron is equal to the atomic number. So, in this modern periodic table, the relation between the atomic number and electronic configuration are get clearly seen. Atomic number is more fundamental property of element than atomic mass. Hence, Henry Moseley state the law for this, that modern periodic law. Properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic number. In this, the modern periodic table, the elements that discovered up to this, the 118 elements are now discovered. So all these elements are arranged in this modern periodic table, and these modern periodic tables, the structure of modern periodic table, let us discuss about the structure. So in modern periodic table, the horizontal row are called periods. There are 7 periods present in modern periodic table. Vertical columns are called groups, and these groups are 18 in the modern periodic table. By arrangement of periods and groups that result to formation of boxes, let us see in the picture. There are 7 groups that are shown by the pink color. First group start from hydrogen, second lithium, third sodium, fourth potassium, and onward to the 7. Then at the upper side of this picture there is 18 groups are present, that is shown in green color. So first group is start by hydrogen and the 18 group is start by helium. Entire periodic table is divided into 4 blocks. So let us see the blockwise distribution of the modern periodic table. The first block, that is the S block, contain group first and second. Second D block contain groups 3 to 12 that are also called transition elements. Then third, that is P block, having groups from 13 to 18, and at the end of these modern periodic table, lower side there are the F block, that is lanthanide and actinide series. So see here in this the picture we can also see the lanthanide and actinide series. Here first see the blockwise distribution, that is the first and second block is shown by the pink color, then D block is from 3rd to 12, that is shown by the blue color, and the plea block, that is shown by orange color from 13 to 18, and at the lower side there is in yellow color we can see the lanthanide and actinide series. In this series, you can see the lanthanium that having the atomic number 57, and this series is at lower side. We can see the Ce having the atomic number that is the 58. Here there is a break, and also the actinium having the atomic number 89, and the thorium that is having the atomic number that is 19. So this is a actinide series. As like this we can see also in this the table we can see that there is a traditional type of the elements are traditionally get classified. What is that the traditional classification of the element? We can see in the previous standard that the elements are get classified into metal, non-metal and metalloids. So let us see here, there is a zigzag line is present in the modern periodic table, that on the zigzag line there are that the elements are lie that are boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony and tellurium and polonium. So these elements are divide this the modern periodic table into, at the left side we can see the metals, and on the right side we can see the non-metals. So in this modern periodic table we can see the traditional classification also, and up to 118 elements are get classified in this modern periodic table clearly. So these are the features of the modern periodic table. In this video, we are seeing that the modern law of periodic table and also the structure of the modern periodic table. You can write in your notebook the law and also the blockwise distribution of the modern periodic table.